The rope tricep extension done on cable crossover machines, you'll find an attachment throughout your gym. You'll want to clip it on. You'll notice the handles are all the way up to the top, so the pin on the side of this cable machine will come out and make the machine go higher or lower. So you can adjust this to your height and your comfort level. Make sure it locks in prior to pulling. Then making sure that you do adjust the appropriate weights. When you do cable machines, they do have extra stack plates, so double check to make sure they didn't add a small plate, making your weights a little heavier than you may think. When you go to do this machine, you want to stand slightly away from the pole. Feet are shoulder width apart, soft stance, knees soft. Don't arch your back, don't hunch your back. So you want to keep your spine straight, but you are slightly leaned forward to give you a little momentum when you go to extend. So you'll just be extending straight down and slowly release up. No jerking, no locking out in this motion. You can extend slightly outward if you want. It gives a little bit more extension in your tricep extension as well when you go to move it. When you change positions from the pulley, it can change the tightness of the motion. So just pay attention to what feels comfortable. But notice the elbows are against the side. They do not move forward. They do not move back. If you are chopping wood, you are not working your triceps. So making sure that your elbows are pinned to your side.